vicious.
No matter what you drive, remember, burn rubber, idiot.
He's under it.
Tune, rim, lower, soft, you take 750 horsepower.
And smooth.
And good gas mileage.
There it is. Doesn't smell like gas when you start it up or drive in it.
Nope, I don't miss my Ferrari when it did that shit.
Right?
And my neighbors love me.
There it is.
Vicious. Vicious. vicious.
What's good, you guys? We out here with your girl Yessa and your girl Charmy, and we are here at Bobby Mouse today with full of cars and tacos and drinks, so do not miss out. Shout out to RUST2REALITY. Check them out, you guys.
Vicious.
So what is this here that we're looking at?
It's called the Honda Odyssey RB1. It's a 2004 model, as you can see.
2004 model Honda Odyssey. Right-hand drive. Okay. And where's your shop?
4530 Andrews Street.
4530?
Yeah, 4530 Andrews Street. It's on North Las Vegas.
Okay.
89081.
Phone number is?
702-217-7099.
Sweet. Camera, no editing. This is a real deal. So what are we looking at here, brother?
We're looking at a 1992 Nissan Sima, which is the Y32, so the Q45 before the Q45 when it came to the US. So
is this a 4-cylinder?
nah, it's a V8.
V8.
Big boy.
Okay.
And this is a little setup that I'm working with right now. Digital dash, everything.
You know,
Got the remote, everything.
digital dash, right-hand drive,
Yes,
Nissan.
sir.
What year is it?
92.
92.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
And from what I know, there's only 2 of them in Nevada. That's from what I know.
Wow.
So, you know, I just finished doing. Okay, get out. I just finished doing the air suspension. We went with airlift, you know, the 3P. So the front, I'm gonna lower it a little bit more, but the back is kind of how I like it. I'm taking about an inch or 2 in the back, you know. And this is the original paint. It's like emerald, like green or emerald blue or something like that. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, oh, you should paint it black. Nah. this
Was
is
it
all-
hard to get used to the right-hand drive?
it was kind of for a little bit, a couple days. You know, I had the Laurel next to me. I had a Safiro. I had this one, and it's kind of.
So you're used to right-hand drive?
Yeah.
Right
Used to
on.
it. I've been driving it for a minute.
So this is 92 with original paint.
Yeah.
Can we see the engine?
Miles. Oh yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. I know it's dark, but you guys can see that paint. Looks like a Jaguar mixed with a shit, like you said, the Infinity.
So it's just a V8.
Oh. V8.
Yes, sir.
And it's front-wheel drive.
Oh, four-wheel. So
Four-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. Wow.
So
What does something like this go for if somebody wanted to purchase one?
They go for probably about 10, 11, sometimes 12, but this only has about 40,000 miles on it. So, you know, it was probably garage kept over there. Which,
And you're like, fuck it, let's chop it up and
Let's
slam
do
it to the ground, huh?
Exactly. I took off the original struts and I was like, no, that's weak. You know, so I bought these wheels. They're GMRs. They're 18 by 10.5 in the front and 19
They
by
look
11.
like the old Bellagios that Tupac got
Yeah,
murdered with.
exactly.
Yeah.
You know, it's the old school look, and that's kind of what I'm going for, just because it was the 90s. So I bought those wheels off one of my buddies, you know, and then I bought the air suspension. I got it off AirTag, so I got everything from AirTag. It was around like 3,000.
What's the lug pattern? The same thing as any other Nissan?
5x14.
Okay.
So it's good, you know. I had these wheels on a different car of mine, and you know, this is pretty much it. You know, stock everything. You guys want? So what a lot of people don't know is that the back seats recline. You know, sorry about the cups and stuff.
No, you're good.
But the back seats recline.
Wow, so this was luxury.
Exactly.
I don't even think the Q45 had that.
They didn't. And I believe in the US, the first one, the first car to have reclining seats was like the LS430 or something like that.
Right. The Lexus.